Oh, sure.
All right, so I'm here with the Swaby sisters. I'd love to ask them a few questions. First of all, what are your thoughts on the game?
I think that kind of having some new faces and kind of just having a couple new players, kind of new formation, it's a whole new team as long as coaching staffs. I think that it kind of was just a good start for us to get kind of a first game under our belt to just kind of see how we're kind of forming together and blending together. But I feel like overall we came out, got a good result, and I think we just need to just keep moving forward from here.
All right.
This is video.
I know, but there's literally.
So I don't mind. Yes.
Yeah, I think it was a good first game of the group stage here. I think that's just a starting point. I think we can see that we have a lot to improve on, especially if we want to compete with the best teams in CONCACAF, which are the best teams in the world. So that's our blessing at the same time. So I think that we just need to take everything that we can from this match and make sure that we apply it for the next one in Grenada. And yeah, we can just only use this as you know, the tools to help us succeed in the next match.
All right, so in the first round, only one team goes on to the next round, right? What's the mood in the camp? Is there any pressure, or are you guys just taking it one game at a time?
I think we're definitely just taking it one game at a time. I feel like a lot of these teams now have come in after, you know, years of preparation. They have a bunch of new girls, so we never really know what we're going to expect. So I think even coming into this first game, we have to just kind of make sure that we didn't take anything lightly. We just kind of need to come in with the greatest attitude and kind of just make sure we're on our front foot for the entire game.
All right, final one. What do you think we can improve on going forward as a team?
Yeah, I think that obviously our strengths are our speed and our ability to run at players and scare defensive lines when we're running at them. So I think the first thing we can improve on is just being able to get ourselves in positions to turn and run and being able to find that flank space, because we scare teams when we're running down the flank and are crossing the ball into a target like Bunny. So I think that if we can continue to improve our transition, not only will that make defending easier, but it will make other teams have to defend us and play to our styles.
All right.